Hi guys, and welcome to the radiocontrol.co.uk YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the Absima Stoke version 2. This is a 4-cell run, ready to run, excluding batteries package from Absima, one of our top selling brands. This is the version 2. They made some improvements to this. Has a top speed of 70 miles an hour, running again 4S batteries. It uses two 4S batteries, one on either side. So it's a really good, well-balanced buggy with all the weight being distributed evenly. And it comes in two colors. It comes in red and it comes in lime green. So let's get this unboxed. So out of the box, the first thing that strikes you is the color. It's really bright and vibrant color. As you can see when I drop it, it's got oil-filled shocks. It's got really high-quality components. It comes with an aerial guide and also a bind key to bind the remote to the receiver. As you'd expect from Absima, they do use their own electronics. Absima, German company, have their own set of radio transmitters and receivers. So obviously they provide those in the box. This is one of the base models. It takes 4 AA batteries. They're decent electronics and they work. And I've been using Absima, the higher end models, in my race gear for a long time. And yeah, I find them really reliable, even if I can't open the lid here. So you've got all the standard tuning in here. You've got the trim and limits for the steering and the throttle. You can switch the direction of both channels. So everything you'd expect from a remote. And yeah, it's decent quality. It's not the best, but it's decent and it's usable. And this is going to be one of the cheapest packages you can get for a 1/8 buggy running out of the box. So it comes in at £319. That's excluding batteries. So you do need to buy two cell LiPo batteries to run this. Let's take the lid off. Use the standard pins to secure the shell. Body shell's finished really well. It's all just one color with graphics over the top. And then one thing I really like is that the rear wing is held on with pins, body pins. So it means you can remove the wing or swap it out quite quickly. Whereas in a lot of cases they're screwed on and it's fixed permanently. Or well, you have to unscrew it. But in this case you just remove the pins, so it's super quick and easy to do. The other thing that stands out to me is the sidewalls. So you don't really think about this in most instances, but having the sidewalls to protect all the electronics is really useful. I know that my 1/8 buggies, they're always getting dirt in them. You get leaves in there and grass and the ESC and all of that kind of stuff. So I think having this high wall around the edge of the chassis will be really helpful in keeping everything inside nice and clean. The benefit for those of you that don't use 1/8 buggies regularly, the benefit is that of the 1/8 buggy over everything else is its size. So with the size that it's at, everything else is going to be bigger and it's just more sturdy and robust. So this is the sidewall, as I was mentioning earlier, keeps all the dirt out. Yeah, like I was saying, all the pieces are larger, the shocks are larger, so everything is a lot more robust. And yeah, it's just more planted. It's a heavy piece of kit. As you can see here, you put a shorty pack on either side of the chassis. So that's a short version of a LiPo. I'll put the links in the description. It uses XT90 connectors, which to me is a bit of a funny choice. I would always choose XT60 because they're far more common. And I don't think there's a big benefit of having an XT90 over a 60. But nonetheless, it's obviously a really good connector. I find it just a little bit harder to find the batteries that have that connector on, because they're a little bit more rare. But I'm sure we'll find them, and like I say, we'll link them in the description. Please do like, follow and subscribe. It really does help us keep lower prices because it helps us drive free traffic to our website.